The Maverick and Santa Cruz have demonstrated that there is a market for small trucks. But here's how a Toyota compact pickup could revolutionize the industry. For some time now, the Ford Maverick has been stealing Toyota's sales, which Toyota doesn't like. In fact, Toyota needs to move quickly because the RAV4 is one of the cars that people most frequently trade in when they purchase a Maverick. Currently, Toyota is not new to the pickup truck industry. When it comes to small trucks, Toyota used to offer the Stout back in the 1960s. Now that some senior Toyota officials have hinted at a potential Maverick competitor, the company is preparing to compete with Ford and Hyundai in the compact truck segment. You see, crossovers are the typical platform for compact trucks, and the Japanese automaker already produces some of the most popular crossovers on the market. This makes it simple for the business to create and manufacture a new compact truck in large quantity. Let's look at why you should put off buying a Maverick and wait for the rumored Stout in light of Ford's recent success and Toyota's ability to introduce a new compact pickup truck to the market. Before getting into the video, you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Toyota Unibody pickup may have rugged design. The newly unveiled all-new 2024 Tacoma and Tundra are evidence that Toyota has recently improved its truck strategy. The automaker's designers are able to give the trucks, which are anticipated to make their way into the compact segment as well, a tough, modern yet classic appearance. A smaller version of the new Tundra and Tacoma with flared arches and a sporty front end would be cool. The Toyota is likely to have the best-looking compact truck when it is unveiled because Hyundai made the Santa Cruz a little too soft and the Maverick a little too plain. The Stout is capable of striking the ideal harmony between sleek appearances and a functional vibe. A front-end design that we first saw on the compact cruiser EV concept last year is referenced in a number of online renders. If you know any more information about this car, please let me know in the comments section. Expectations for a better hybrid engine. Ford's incredibly effective but potent hybrid system is one of its biggest selling points. When Toyota enters the market, it is anticipated that the company will also offer a battery-assisted version of the compact truck. Now, Toyota is the only company we would put our trust in when it comes to hybrid vehicles. Since the company's engineers were some of the very first to introduce battery-assisted vehicles to the market, they have amassed decades of experience in developing practical and dependable battery-assisted vehicles. This, along with the fact that the Maverick has been on the market for a while, shows that Toyota is capable of surpassing Ford standards while also being more dependable and well-made. There have been a few Maverick recalls related to battery issues, side curtain airbag issues, and fuel tank leaks. Due to the complexity of hybrid vehicles, even the smallest cost or quality compromise can cause serious reliability issues. There is no denying that there is still a level of superiority when it comes to durability and dependability, even though Toyotas may not be as dependable as they once were. This should be a compelling enough excuse to hold off on the Stout's release. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Before continue the video, don't forget to subscribe Top 4 Car. It'll probably be a good off-roader. One of the most extensive off-road histories in the automotive industry belongs to Toyota. The Land Cruiser, 4Runner, Hilux, and FJ Cruiser are just a few of the company's incredibly capable models that have graced the world over the years. Therefore, we anticipate that the Stout will offer some of the best capabilities in the market when it is finally released. But bear in mind that unlike the Tacoma or 4Runner, the Stout won't be an all-out extreme off-roader. Compact trucks are crossover-based vehicles and share their off-road prowess. Given that the Maverick Tremor has a 1-inch lift and even a rear locker, Ford has demonstrated what can be done with it. With an off-road focused version, we anticipate Toyota to match or even outperform Ford in terms of off-road features. It's also important to note that Toyota can set the Stout apart from the other two cars by giving it a more trucky appearance. Why does that matter? The Santa Cruz and Maverick, however, are more crossovers than trucks. This indicates that their towing and payload capacities are modest. According to reports, the Stout will increase those figures and bring a compact truck with capabilities that might be more comparable to mid-sized pickups. It might provide the most advanced safety technology available. Due to the fact that mid-sized and full-sized trucks are typically used for work, they occasionally lack the safety features that sedans and crossovers have. In contrast, the compact truck market is different. Ford's recent success demonstrates that the compact truck is frequently purchased as a family vehicle that also provides the added functionality and usefulness of an open bed. Therefore, it is crucial that this segment incorporate the most recent advancements in vehicle safety to make it as safe as possible. The advantage of choosing a unibody setup over a body on-frame design is that it can provide greater safety.